everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of exited account on the application of Google Meet. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list, you will search about Google Meet app and you click. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.